Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. So as you read from my title, today I'll be doing the unbagging for my October's Hank & Henry Beauty / Makeup Institute LA's brush subscription. Just as a little reminder, because this is only the second month this subscription is available. Brush subscription is $25 per month and you get 68 full-size brushes and then a bonus item each and every month. Now for this month I decided to test out the brushes and I created this look. Now I'm not sure, depending on how editing goes, it might go in this video or it will go in my next video, which will be my boxy pop-up order along with some spoilers, so you'll see. But anyways, the brush subscription goes for $25 a month and you get a mixture of the Hank & Henry core brushes, some limited edition brushes, and also brushes from the Makeup Institute. You will always receive a minimum of $100 in value each and every month, and honestly for $25 that's such a steal. Now as I'm filming this video, the brushes are already sold out for the month of October. They opened the wait list on the 13th or the 14th, something like that. And as by the time I got my brushes and I checked this morning, they have sold out already. So stay tuned because I know they'll be opening more spots come November. And again, as a reminder, this is a mid-month subscription, which means that we get charged between the 15th and the 17th of every month. So we actually will receive the brushes towards the end of the month. That's why this unboxing is so late, because it's a mid-month subscription. It's not like in the beginning of the month like most other subscription services. So just so you're aware. But anyways, let's get to it and let's begin this unbagging. So as I said, this was created using the brushes from this bag. I also actually used the brushes from last month's bag. So here are the brushes we received plus our little bonus item right here. So our bonus item was the mini Midori sponge, which is my favorite sponge to use to do like my concealer or buffing anything out. This is by far my favorite sponge and I did use it in the video. I just used the one I'm currently have open, basically my used one. We also got this Makeup Institute LA brush number 210. This is like some kind of like wider, wider pencil brush, which I definitely do appreciate. I wasn't sure how to use it today for my look, so I didn't use it, but I do like how compressed it is and stuff, because I could definitely see myself using it for like, you know, for my crease and whatnot. And then I received, and I did use this, I received another Meg brush, which is very similar to the MI Institute. And this, again, it's good for packing. The Meg brush, it's very similar to the Makeup Institute, except it's a little bit more tightly pressed, which I do appreciate it. Now I did use this for my eye look and I buffed it. I used it for the crease and for the outer corner pretty much. And I really do like this brush because it's also a little bit more firmly packed actually. Last eye brush, I did not use this one because I already have I have multiple brow brushes, but this is really good to do your brows, or if you want to do some powder liner on your, you know, your lash band. This is a really good brush for that. And because it's a little bit longer bristles but a little bit on the firmer side, it makes it easier for you to be flexible and be as precise as you need to be or you want to be. So I really do like this. And again, these blue handle ones are like the limited edition that will be included in the Hank & Henry subscription. We also received these 3 face brushes. Now this one, I'm not sure if you could tell, but this one right here is round. It's like a round dome, right? But when you turn it to the side, it actually has tapered edges, so you can actually chisel out your cheekbones a little bit more. And this can be good for powder or cream products. And I did enjoy using that for my bronzer today. This one, I'm still trying to figure out what this is for because it was too soft for me to do bronzer. Maybe this is more meant for cream products, but I will find out because to do my bronzer, it made it a little bit patchy for me today. So I almost feel like this is meant for cream products. But you see how it's a softer bristles, like, you know, it's not as packed as the other one, and it's kind of like the dome shape but thinner. So you could definitely, you know, do your contour. It's just didn't work as good as I had hoped with the powder. So it kind of makes me feel like this is meant for creams, but I'm gonna find out. Last item, this guy right here. This is very similar actually to my Francis brush, which I love. And this is amazing for a highlighter, and it helps so you're nicely and precise. But yeah, but this is a really nice brush, and you can see right here, it has that teardrop shape. And it's really nicely packed as well, so I really do like this. Use this for highlight, and here's my Francis brush, and here is this brush. So they're very similar shape, except this one's a little bit more packed, so you can use it again as a highlighter or maybe even as a blush brush, because I do that with the Francis brush. When I want to be more precise, like right here, I'll use this guy right here as well. Editing Janet here. So I wanted to show you guys a full layout of all the brushes that I received for the October Hank & Henry Beauty / Makeup Institute outlay brush subscription for the month of October. Now I'm also showing you a little bit better close-ups of all the brushes, the detailing, but fun story. Last night I washed all the brushes, as you can tell, and if you notice that far right pencil brush, the Makeup Institute S201, it actually had fallen and rolled under where I do my makeup. So thankfully I found it last night. I just wanted to let you guys know that I actually received 4 eye brushes and 3 face brushes along with the Midori sponge. So I just wanted to make sure and clarify that I received a total of 7 brushes along with the bonus item. So thank you so much, and we'll go back to our regular program. So those are all the brushes I received in the October Hank & Henry Beauty brush subscription. Let me know what you guys think about the brush subscription. For me, I definitely know, again, because I've purchased the brushes on their own and I've purchased them as sets. I definitely know it's worth the value, because the basic face set from the core brand, it's about $89, and then the eye set, it's about $79 or something like that. So I definitely know I'm getting my money's worth. And for anyone that is a brush fanatic or hoarder like myself, you guys must get the subscription once more spots become available, of course, because this will get you guys this subscription will easily get you all the brushes you're going to want. And I think next month they're going to have more face brushes as well, and I'm excited for those because Henry has shown us some sneak peeks, and there's one foundation brush that I'm really hoping is in the subscription. But anyways, let me know what you guys think about the October brush subscription. Did you guys like it, not like it? What's your favorite brush? And before I forget, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you haven't done so as of yet, make sure you enter my active giveaway. It's actually in my Hank & Henry brush subscription unbagging from last month, from September's. So make sure you do so. I'm going to link it up above and down in the cards. Before I head out, I just want to say thank you all so very much. I appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you for your guys' patience with me, because I know I've been on and off the last couple months, but yeah, so thank you all so much. I love and appreciate you, and have a beautiful day, a beautiful night, whatever time it is for you. Goodbye.